Hi there, my name is Eric Dugan, founder and chief investment officer of 3D Capital Management. To all our investors and friends, yesterday, March 15th, 2021, marked the highest closing level in the history of the S&P 500. We've now rallied over 80% in less than 12 months. And just to give you an idea and a perspective of how far we've come and how fast we've come, I want to share a quick chart with you. This is the March 23rd, 2020 low. This is yesterday's all-time closing high. That's an 81% rally in less than 12 months. You haven't needed a lot of defense. And our 3D Defender program, which is built to protect you when you need it and not when you don't, has remained sidelined for nearly that entire 80% rally. Now, let me go back and share a chart with you. Same chart. These red bars represent down months. The green bars represent up months. And as a reminder, our expertise at 3D Capital Management is helping investors profit from moves in both directions. But what's the problem? The problem is the red bars and the down months. Let's go back. These red bars represent opportunities, plenty of opportunities to be profitable. How do you make the stock market a better long-term investment? You turn those red bars into green bars, or you lose less when the market goes down and you step aside when the market rallies. Now, let's take a look at what happened yesterday. All-time high in the S&P 500. First, though, we did trade lower. We dropped about 50 basis points. Our 3D Defender program generated a signal. Defense was brought into the portfolio. And that is, as a reminder, everything we do here at 3D Capital is data-driven. Our 3D Defender program is based on decades of data and statistically significant patterns that are logical, symmetrical, and persistent. Let's go back and take a look at a chart. You can see we dropped about 50 basis points yesterday. Defense was brought into the portfolio. The S&P bounced off its lows. Defense was no longer needed in the portfolio. Defender was removed from the portfolio, and the S&P 500 rallied, closed up about 65 basis points on the day, and that's about how far it rallied after defense was taken out of the portfolio. The bottom line is, our expertise is making the stock market a better long-term investment. And if you have any questions about how we can help you profit from stock market rallies and declines, feel free to reach out. We're here to help.